Good morning friends, welcome back. It is 6:30 in the morning now and I feel I am ready for the day. Yesterday for dinner we actually had some guests and so we have enough food for today's lunch. So I feel relaxed because I don't have to prepare a meal today. And next week, this is the last week before Christmas, and from next week onwards the kids have 10 days of holidays. Today is actually Anjali's last day for school. It's Wednesday and Friday is the last day for school for Adi. Do let me know what are you all looking forward to do during the holidays, because if kids are there I think they will have 10 days wherever you are. And what are you all looking forward to do? Then today actually Anjali is having a Christmas program at school, so we are all going there to see that. Really excited, and it's a very long day today. Let's prepare some coffee first. Anjali. Yay! Good morning. You ready? Okay. എന്താ പാടാൻ പോണെന്ന് പറയൂ.
I wish you a Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Good job. New Year means New Year is coming.
Yeah.
ഈ ഇയർ കഴിയാന്ന്. Finish our year. Okay?
Okay.
Let me see Anjali.
I wish you a Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Anjali sing ചെയ്യോ?
Yeah.
അമ്മ വരും കാണാൻ, okay? Good job. Ready? Good Rajana. Ready, Anjali? Okay, for the party we have some crackers and cheese here, which we have to take to school, and a few gifts for the teachers.
A mini cooker.
Yeah, Anjali's school കേട്ടോ. Okay, car seat ഇരിക്കേ. No. I'm gonna write something. അതിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ, ഓക്കെ? ഇതിൻ്റെ റൈറ്റ് ഹിയർ.
This is Chacha.
Okay, H. Oh.
This is
Yeah, H. Very good, Anjali. Okay, hi എഴുതിക്കോ. I എഴുതിക്കോ. I. Just write a standing line. Long standing line. Yes, that's good. Very good.
yeah.
Hi.
Huh?
Miss ഇഷ്ടാവുമോ? Okay, let's go and give it to her. Okay, put it inside this. ഒരു കാർഡ് one card മാത്രം വെക്കേ. അമ്മനി 10:30 വരും, ഓക്കെ? ബൈ.
Bye.
Okay, so on the way to Anjali's school to see her program, actually my husband was unable to come because he had an urgent meeting that came up, so I am on my way now. Okay, so finally got one last spot of the parking lot. Let's go. So all the preschool classes are performing together today on stage. And yes, Anjali's 2-year-old class is just coming on stage to join them. Who is this?
Hi.
Huh?
Hi.
A toy, but who is this?
Santa.
Yeah.
Hi, Santa.
Toy Santa. Let's see what it does. എന്തത് പെൻസിൽ പിന്നെ എന്തത് Okay, let me see what's written. Magic reindeer food. Wow. What is that?
Here.
Another candy cane.
Yeah.
So many candy canes, Anjali.
Yeah.
Pinning candy cane. Oh my god. Let's give these candy canes to someone else.
No. Okay.
Ammaki?
Okay.
How about giving that candy cane to some other kid?
Okay.
Okay, maybe some other kid does not have a candy cane. How about sharing that candy cane with other kid?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I need to make it.
How about this one? There are some candy canes inside this. How about that?
Yeah.
Our 2 candy canes arka kodukande.
Kitchen.
Another kid?
Yeah.
You ready to share?
Yeah.
Good job.
Okay. Ah.
Another Christmas tree?
Yeah.
For mommy and daddy. Wow.
Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and daddy? Sure. Should Acha come
Yeah.
before we open it? So let's keep it under the Christmas tree. Now I'm getting ready to prepare a plum cake for Christmas, and I thought of sharing that with you, but that needs a little pre-preparation. This recipe is without any rum or alcohol, so I am taking orange juice instead, and the fruits need to be soaked for at least 24 hours or so. So I'm pouring in some orange juice, adding some raisins and a mixture of apricots and dates, mainly some almonds and some cashews, and then just let it soak for 24 hours. So we're going to prepare the caramel syrup here. We have about 1/4 cup of sugar and half a tablespoon of water, and then this water I'll add later, that is about 1/8 cup. So first we'll add the sugar and the water. So once the sugar has reached this color consistency, I'm going to add in about 1/8 cup of warm water. Just let it boil for a minute or two and then keep it aside. In a bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of flour, a little more than half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and mix it all well. So the dry fruits here have been soaking for quite some time now, and I'm just going to chop it into smaller pieces, and do not throw away the liquid that it has been soaking in. We'll use it later. Next, here we have taken 2 eggs. I have separated the egg whites and egg yolks. So I'm just going to beat the egg whites. You get this consistency of the egg whites. Now we're going to add in the egg yolks. That is 2 egg yolks and half a cup of butter. That is softened butter. I'm just going to beat that well. Now I'm going to add in this half cup of sugar little by little and mix it into this and blend it into this mixture. Then a little vanilla essence and the caramel syrup that we prepared. Going to add it. Now I'm going to add in some allspice powder. So it looks like this, and now I'm going to add in the flour mixture. Now let's add in these egg whites and fold it into the mixture. So the dry fruits that are chopped up are here, and I'm going to add a little bit of flour, just sprinkle it and then mix it so that it doesn't sink to the bottom of the cake. Now let's fold in the dry fruit into this mixture, and then also add in 2 syrups of the orange juice that it was soaking in. Okay, now we are ready to bake. Let's add the batter into the pan and then bake at 355 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. The way to open it is like this.
Oh.
Woo!
Can we eat the cake?
Nice. Nice
Can we
cake.
eat the cake?
Yeah, after dinner. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you all later. Take care and bye-bye.